Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Rush, the Discover Boss. Welcome back to Rush Ramore Reviews. Today we're doing another video from Portmore. So we're back in Portmore, St. Catherine. This is a quick update on a construction that I've never covered before. So just showing you guys a little glimpse of a ongoing construction in Portmore. Again, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. We're trying to reach to 3,000 subscribers before the end of May. And if you want to donate to the channel, we have PayPal and other options in the description. Remember to like, comment, and share as well. And comment on this development, comment on this construction. Let me know your thoughts. Alright, and right over there with that Jamaica flag is the Greater Portmore police station. So that police station is basically right beside the development that I'm going to show you guys as well. And then we have a gated community opposite as well. This is the Country Club 2, I think that's the name. So it's a gated community. Alright, let's take a look at the property now that we're here for. Alright, so this building over here is the new Portmore Municipal building. It's almost finished. It has been under construction for a while. I think it's 2 floors. A very unique design, a very traditional design as well, not a very modern one. So this is what we're taking a look at today. This is the Portmore Municipal building, and it's right next to the Greater Portmore police station as well. So I think probably in another month or two they will be fully occupied and up and running. And definitely leave your comments, guys. Let me know what you think about this building. Let me know what you think about the design, the location, and just the use of our tax dollar, our Jamaican tax dollar as well. Alright, so this is up the road from the Portmore Municipal Council. So this is a little commercial area. We have, Scotia, we have Total, they have a BPO construction going on over that side. I have a full video on the construction. It's called G-Tech Park, so you guys can check that out as well. So this is up the road from the municipal building, and over to the right there's also another bank, CIBC. We have CIBC over this side. You can hardly see it right there. Alright, so a small commercial area. I'll drive down the road a little bit more, down Portmore Pines. Show you guys probably a few of the plazas down there. We have Sovereign, we have Sunshine Palace, our Sunshine Plaza, and another plaza as well. So I'll drive down the road, to show you guys a little bit more around the area. So if you're not familiar with Portmore, if you don't come to Portmore very often, at least you'll still see a little bit of what's going on. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, so this is the Sovereign Village over this side. I also have a full detail review on the Sovereign Village. So you guys can check it out. We have Monarch Pharmacy over there. We have Domino's, Wendy's, Digicel, Tutti Frutti, Island Grill. So a nice plaza, Sovereign Village. This is in Portmore Pines. Alright, and then right beside Sovereign Village you have Sunshine Outlet Mall. There are also a new mall as well, and they are the home of Sunshine Palace, but they are currently closed. We know because of the coronavirus, a lot of places of entertainment, including cinemas, they're completely closed. So yeah, this is the other plaza beside them. And if you can read that, it says Sunshine Palace, cinema closed, we miss you, stay well. So yeah, a lot of business being affected because of the nightly curfews in Jamaica. They start 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. right now, and also because of the whole coronavirus situation, a lot of business being impacted. Yeah, so Portmore Pines, guys, we just looked at the Portmore Municipal building, we just looked at Sovereign Village, and this is Sunshine Outlet Mall. This is the home of Portmore's only cinema as well, brand new cinema. I also have a review on the Sunshine Outlet Mall, so you can also check that out on the channel as well. I'll try to put everything in the description for you guys. And then there's one final plaza to look at. It's just down the road, so I'll show you guys that as well. So Portmore Pines is a little commercial district, a little commercial hub for Portmore as well. Alright, so this is the other mall. It has high-low. This is Brayton Parkway. That's where we're officially on, known as Portmore Pines. That building there, the red and white building, is IBEX call center, and they have Express Fitness and a few others as well. Alright, so this is the second to last plaza. We're going to look at the last one now. Alright, so this is the Portmore Pines community, right off Brayton Parkway. And this is the final plaza. They're doing some expansion right there. Then we have Sagicor, Island Grill, and a lot of other shops. So thanks for watching, guys. Definitely like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment as well.